Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you a watch which I bought from Flipkart. This is a Timex analog watch, which is a pure analog watch, not digital mix up analog watch. It's a pure analog watch from Timex. So it has some cool feature. So first of all, I am showing you the box. Inside the box, this is the watch in green color. Dial is also green and strap is also in green. So it's like that. Packaging is, it has nothing else. So keep aside the watch. Here is the manufacturing details, model number and the body print, MRP. Its country of origin is showing India, but maybe it's not Indian watch. It's a Taiwanese maybe, or something else. So this is our watch today, which I bought from Flipkart. Okay, so it has some cool features, that's why I am bought this watch. So the number one is Indiglo. So it has an Indiglo mentioned here. This is the Indiglo, and WR 50 meter, that means it's a water resistance of 50 meter. So this is the watch. And Indiglo means it's a type of night vision, that which you all know, that make the dial glow when small clicking on the crown. This is the crown here. If you pull this in darkness, then it will glow the full dial. So it's a unique thing which has not been provided by any company in their pure analog watches. Casio has this type of like LED, but not in pure analog. They are in their digital analog mix-up watches. So this is the Timex unique thing. So if you like this feature, then go and collect any of these watches as soon as possible. I will show you the Indiglo look of this watch at the end of the video. So next thing is the WR 50 meter, here mentioned here. You can see this, and that means the watch can withstand normal rain or water splashes, but not any water activity like diving or swimming. For this diving or swimming thing, you should consider 100 meter, 200 meter or above water resistance watches. It's a normal daily wear watch from Timex. So this, and third is its size and weight, which is pretty much small and comfortable to wear, as it has rubber straps in green color as well as the dial. Also it has mineral glass used. The glass here used is of mineral glass, not sapphire crystal. It's sapphire crystal is higher class, higher type, higher withstand capability of glasses used in high-end watches. It's a medium or lower end, so that's the thing here. So also it has mineral glass used in the dial, which has decent shock and scratch resistance as well. That means if you, this is not a best scratch resistance watch or scratch resistance glass used in it. The best scratch resistance for that, you think of sapphire crystal, but it has a mineral crystal glass, so it's okay for daily use. And budget option, this is the best thing you can get. Now it has 40 mm dial size. Its dial size is 40 mm, and the strap width, here the strap width, this is, so first I will unlock it. It's a rubber strap, so it's comfortable in wearing it. So I will put on my hand. So it's the complete look of the watch. So that's it. Now I will put it on my hand. I have a G-Shock 5600 series watch which I wore daily. That's the watch, and that's the Timex one. So the G-Shock one is 200 meter water resistance and LED, which is brighter than this Indiglo Timex analog watch, but Timex is also good as this budget. So first I put it in my wrist. So it's a 40 mm dial, so it's pretty good in looking, you can see, and lightweight also. The rubber band is super comfortable. So I'm saying that its lug or bandwidth or strap width is 20 mm. So if you replace this strap, you should consider only 20 mm third party straps. So if no, but rubber band is quite comfortable, so you cannot consider to replace it. So that's the thing. You can look the full watch look here. So this is the details of this watch straps. So now here the price shown in the box is, so you can see 7795, but I bought it for 4312 rupees from Flipkart. But the main thing is now this is particular which is not available anywhere. So if you get this kind of watches from anywhere from Timex, which is Indiglo, so go for it. This is the best thing from an analog quartz watch you can get in this price or more. It will look okay because it has a best Lumi bright or Indiglo thing which can help you to see the dial from at night, at dark also. So that's the thing. So but you may interested in any Indiglo watch from Timex, I would say grab it. But yeah, check the details before purchases. Design, water resistance and wearing comfort are also matters. So that's the thing. So here you can see I'm in darkness. So this is the Indiglo thing which you can see, but this Indiglo is maybe not showing properly because the battery is downed. So I have to change this battery, then later it will be showed it's in its full potential. So that's it, the Indiglo analog watch from Timex. So that's it for now. If you're enjoying the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.